Miss Grundle here for math today. We are going to be working on lesson 14. Today our I can statement is I can explore conservation of volume through pouring. There's a lot of big words in there that we'll talk about in just a few minutes. But first, we are going to need our math notebooks. Inside, you need to find lesson 14 template. We're going to be using this template to record the data that we collect during this lesson. Yesterday, you learned about how much a container can hold inside. We called that our capacity. Today, we are going to look at how that capacity looks when an object is transferred or poured into different containers. So, to get started, I'm going to fill up my cup with some rice. I'm going to scoop it up, and I need to make sure that I have it filled all the way to capacity or all the way to the very top. Okay. Then I want to pack in my rice and level it off, make sure there's not any extra on top. Okay, I have my cup full to the very top with rice. It is filled to capacity. So the first thing on our template is to draw a picture of our cup of rice filled to capacity. So I'm going to do a quick math sketch of what that would look like. I'm going to draw my cup, kind of like this, and then fill it all the way with rice. All right. Here is my cup filled up to the very, very top. Now, I wonder, what would it look like if I transferred or poured this rice into a different container? How would it change? So I looked around and I found a jar. I'm going to pour all of the rice from my cup into this jar. I have a funnel to help me so that I don't lose any. I'm going to set it down. All right, ready? There we go. That looks really different. When the rice was in my cup, it was all the way full, but now it's not. Why did that change? What do you notice that's different? My jar is a lot bigger than my cup. So the capacity inside this jar is a lot greater than what this cup can hold. I didn't change the amount of rice that I poured in. That was exactly the same or equal to the cup. But now it looks a lot different because of the capacity of this jar. I'm going to draw a picture of this on my template. All right. Let's see. We have a circle. Kind of like that. And then I need to draw my rice just down at the bottom. Just a little bit. All right, there's my math picture. Did you draw your math picture on your template? Great. Let's try another one and see what happens. What if I pick a really short one? Do you think it'll look different in here? All right, I'm going to hold my funnel into my new container. Try to pour this in. I don't want to lose any rice. Let it fill up. All right, let's see what happened. It's a lot more full than the jar, but does my rice reach all the way up to the top like it did in the cup? No, it doesn't. That must mean that the capacity of this container is less than my jar, but more than my cup, because I could fit some extra rice in here. Now let's notice. Did I change the amount of rice? Lose any or put any extra in? No. So that means that my rice can look different because of the shape of the container that it's in. Let's draw a quick math picture of that on our template. So for this one, I'm going to draw a short container. Kind of like that. And then it goes almost all the way to the top, but not quite there. Here's my math picture. All right, I want to double check and see if this rice in the container is still the same rice that fit into this cup, because it's just changing shapes all the time. Let's see. Carefully pour it all in. We've got to get those last little pieces. Very carefully. All right, let's see. Give it a pat. Wow, it perfectly fills up this cup. So it's the same exact amount of rice. Cool how it changes shape depending on the shape of the container. Let's try one more. I found this really tall water bottle. I'm going to put in my funnel and pour in my rice. All right. How does this look? My rice is almost halfway up. It looks taller in this water bottle because of the shape of the container. When it was in my short container, the rice was low and spread out. But now it's taller because it is a skinnier bottle. Let's draw a quick picture of this on our template. All right, so I need a tall bottle this time. Okay, then my rice goes almost halfway. Let's say maybe there. Here's my picture for my math template. What do you think? Looks pretty good? Good enough? Awesome. It's fun to play around with these and to see how the rice changes shape depending on the container it's in. I wonder, what would happen if we put it in a really small container with a very low capacity? Like this one. Should we try it? Okay, make sure I'm over my box. Ready? All right. The capacity of this cup is definitely smaller than what this water bottle could hold. My rice is all over. Luckily, I had a box underneath to help with cleanup. Okay, thank you for joining me today. I will see you later. Bye, friends.